In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix error 1310 error writing to file. So first thing you're going to do is go here and type in Windows Security. And here you're going to go to App and Browser Control. And here go to Reputation Based Control and make sure you turn all of these off. So turn these off all, and after that you want to go back here and go to Virus and Threat Protection, and down you're gonna see Ransomware Protection. Go to Manage and make sure this is turned off. After this you can close this down and go here to CMD, right click, Run as Administrator, yes, and here you want to type in MSIEXEC space / unregister and press enter. After that, let it load, and you want to type in another command which is the same, but it's gonna be reg server, and then you're gonna press enter and let it load. After that, restart your PC and hopefully your issue is fixed.